Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're normally on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Ahmed Al Maghribi. The House of Ahmed Al Maghribi is another Middle Eastern perfume house, and when I say house, they are true house because they make everything from the raw material to the end products inside the house, inside the company. So they are a true house, and as far as I know, they don't make anything else apart from perfumes or some of their perfumes related products. Okay, so they consider to be niche, and they are a niche quality. Majority of their perfumes, fragrances I unboxed and reviewed are very good, and they are superbly impressive, especially for the price. They give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price you're paying. This one in particular is called Cinder. Ahmed Al Maghribi Cinder is, they are classifying it as Eau de Parfum or EDP, but when I looked at the box, it says 57% volume. That means 57% of it is alcohol. The rest is a mixture of oil and water. So probably around 30% or even more of this fragrance is a pure perfume oil. So they could have easily called it extrait de parfum, but they didn't. They played their hand, they underplayed their hand, which is good for us consumers. So this one in particular in United Kingdom, you can find it under £40, and let's see how it goes. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to stay in this endeavor for longer, to survive, to keep going, to bring you fragrances that nobody else is talking about, that are under radar, they are unknown, they are nobody else is talking about, to your attention. Then you can take it from there. Thank you very much for your love and support, and let's go. So this one I bought on eBay. Didn't have any plastic on it. I bought it for a very good price, but look at the box. It's a very nice box. It's got a texture to it. It's got some sort of leaf design to it, and attention to detail as always is very good. And the important thing is the box protects the bottle, and the bottle itself is very heavy bottle. So it's a very heavy bottle, superbly heavy, and the cap is very heavy, about 200-300 grams itself, although it's plastic or a mixture of plastic and metal. And what is here, I'm not sure. Is it supposed to be charcoal? Is it supposed to be mud? Is it, I'm not sure, to be honest with you, but it's a design. And the bottle itself is almost green. It's like an olive color. Again, attention to detail is very nice. The atomizer is modern and silver, and here we go. Whoa, look at this. Wow, it's a pressurized atomizer. Beautiful, superb. Okay, Cinder Ahmed Al Maghribi. Here we go. Whoa, super strong. My goodness, I shouldn't put 3. Goodness me, that is a strong. I don't need to put it up to my nose. It doesn't need to. A little bit soapy. Woody. Smoke. Spicy. Wow, what is that? It's like a floral, but it's very deep. Alright, is this about fruitiness to it as well? What that is. Anyway, here we go. First impression. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just mesmerizingly beautiful. So first thing first, what it hits me is the quality. So Ahmed Al Maghribi, they don't skimp, they don't compromise, they don't go half measures. They always put everything they have in their perfumes, and it shows. beautiful perfume, full body, deep, dense, sophisticated, very, very complex fragrance. And the first thing it hits me is the fruitiness of it. So it's very, very fruity, but the fruits in here, it's like a dry fruit rather than fresh fruits. And the sweetness in here, although it's quite sweet in terms of sweetness for first impression, from 0 to 10 right now it's about 7 to 8. So it is quite sweet, but because there are so many deep elements in here, big hitters in the base, they just ground the sweetness. They don't let it to run away, and that is making it very appealing. So it is sweet, but not overly sweet. It's like balancing work is working very well in here. It's got a hint of oud in here, not too much, and the oud in here is very clean. It's a clean oud. It's universally paleted oud. Is a westernized oud, if you like. It's not one of those that is funky, animalic, what else, barnyard, or any of those. Okay, so there is a oud in here, and it's very apparent, but it is not overpowering right now. Right now it's in the background, and it's making it a very, very resonant and deep woody feel to the base. It's got floral aspect to it. I'm not sure what kind of floral they're using in here. It's quite mysterious to me. It is in a way that because they blended this perfume so well, and is amalgamation of things, it's very hard to pick up notes. But I'm feeling something floral in the mid. It could be a little bit of rose in here, or it could be something like, what was that other one that it smells similar to rose? Oh my god, I forgot the name of it now. It comes to me in a minute. Anyway, so it is a little bit of floral in the mid, but not overly floral. So overall, they made it in a way that it is appealing to the unisex. It is targeted unisex, and to my nose is bang in the middle unisex. Ladies and men, no problem, can wear this. So because it's got so many aspects in here. I'm smelling something green in here. Green, grassy, leafy, camphorous, balsamic, what else? Yeah, hint of grassiness, leafiness, earthy, definitely, hint of earthiness in here as well. It's quite leathery feel to it as well. I'm not sure if it's a leather accord in here, but it feels a little bit leathery, feels a little bit suede leather feel to it as well, which is again in the background right now. So what a beauty, you know, it just opened up gorgeous, opened up opulent, very deep, dense, complex fragrance overall. Let's see what the note breakdown is, and we take it from there. So the note breakdown, according to one website, because it was very hard to find note breakdown, or even on the website of Ahmed Maghribi, it didn't exist. So let's see. According to this website, is bergamot, divana, okay, pink pepper, okay. In the mid we have agarwood, amber, and rosemary. The greenness in here coming from that rosemary, and there is a like a herbal feel to it as well. It's quite deep herbal to it. In the base we have leather, definitely, musk, and vetiver. Okay, so there is a vetiver in here, plus the rosemary giving it that green, grassy, leafy feel. The muskiness is there. Yeah, the muskiness is superbly done in here. It's a very clean musk, but it's got a hint of animalicness to it. Such of animalicness, not too much, just a hint of animalicness to giving it that sensual, sexy feel to it. So it is very sensual, very sexy as well. And the leather giving it that base, which is lifting everything and keeping everything together, giving it that leathery or suedey feel to the base. And the agarwood in here, which is the oud, it is apparent. Again, it's not overpowering at the moment, but it is in the base, and it's making it very resonant and deep and dense and complex. And also it is universally paleted oud, is westernized oud, is not a Middle Eastern oud or Arabic oud or Eastern oud, which have the funky, basically animalic, and also the barnyardy, none of those. Okay, So the pink pepper here giving it that spiciness. I'm smelling more than pink pepper. Yeah, I'm smelling fruitiness, which is they're not mentioning here. When it opened up, it had a little bit of zestiness, but not too much. You just get lost very quickly. But I'm smelling something dry, fruity, something like raisin or date, or maybe even dry berries. Okay, so dry berries, date, raisin, something in that vein, which is very, very appealing. At the moment, I'm making it deep and dense fruitiness, which is a dry, fruity feel to it. So very, very appealing. And the amber in here is a very deep amber. It's a dense, deep, thick amber. So you need to like these kind of fragrances to enjoy it. Overall, for a first impression, what a beauty. Opened up gorgeous. It opened up like a beautiful perfume. No harshness, no chemical feel to it, no sharpness, none of those. Beautifully done, very rounded, very smooth, very well blended, very well put together. And the ingredients in here is a very good ingredients, and it shows in the smell of it. It just smells divine, it smells mysterious, smells good quality, smells high end quality, especially for a price under £40. Smells like a niche £150 plus perfume. For that, I have to give them the prop. House of Ahmed Al Maghribi always do that. They give you everything plus the kitchen sink in their perfume for a price which is amazing. Ahmed Al Maghribi is one of the Middle Eastern houses that they never compromise in terms of performance, in terms of thickness, in terms of denseness of their perfumes, and it shows here as well. So it's very dense, it's very thick, it's very strong, and for that is not everybody's cup of tea. This is for people who are very confident in themselves. They are open to mysterious fragrances, and they like the fragrance to be deep, dense, and strong. So if you like a strong, deep, dense, complex, layered, resinous, spicy, dry, fruity, green, herbal, grassy, leafy, camphorous, balsamic, all these things. A little bit of hint of hint of smokiness in here, not too much. Hint of smokiness, hint of dustiness, hint of powderiness as well. So if you like this kind of fragrances, wow, 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 what a beauty. I absolutely love it. For a first impression, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. In terms of age, I will give it 25 and up to be in the safe side, because again, this is very complex fragrance, and it is not, I don't think a young nose, an inexperienced nose will appreciate this. If you like complex fragrances and you are open-minded, yes, but otherwise no. In terms of season, this is all year round. It's got freshness to it, and it's got a depth to it and density to it. So you can use it in winter and summer, no problem. In summer, less sprays. In winter, more sprays. I think in summer you shouldn't go more than 3 sprays, because when I put 3 sprays right now, it's filling the house, filling the room easy. So it's very, very strong. In terms of age, as I said, in terms of gender, definitely unisex, bang in the middle. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem whatsoever. In terms of occasion, this is very opulent, so it's very good for going out, for evening, for formal occasion, for special occasion, for close encounter, for dating, for something very, very special in here. Okay, all right guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems, and this beauty is a definite hidden gem. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfume and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. I leave them in the link as well. I put more than 60% perfume, pure perfume oils in my perfume, which is unheard of, and that makes them ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are very artistic, very unique, and they are amazing smell. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.